Hey everybody, Mark Bosley here. Thank you so much for tuning in to my Craigslist training video this evening. My Craigslist YouTube training video, okay? As I promised you yesterday, I would have this for you about how to get free IP addresses, how to get free phone numbers so you can get a phone verification, okay? And how to create multiple Craigslist accounts along with multiple Gmail accounts and how to manage those accounts right there, okay? It's really not that difficult, guys. This video won't take me about 8-10 minutes to do this thing. I want you to pay very close attention. Watch the video over again if you like, if there's something you don't understand, okay? Anyways, here we go. Here is where we begin right here. Here's what you're going to need to get started. First of all, you're going to need a telephone. One of these, what I suggest is you go to one of these dollar stores, a Dollar General, a Family Dollar, or a Walmart. Get the cheapest throwaway phone they have, one of those prepaid phones, okay? That way you can change the phone number on that thing anytime you want to, okay? I suggest the Straight Talk phones because that's the one I started with, and they'll allow you to change your phone number at will as many times as you want to. Not only that, but they'll give you the prefix of the area that you live in, so it'll always look like it's coming from your community. It won't be coming from Timbuk 3 somewhere, okay? Anyways, you got the phone part down, right? Cheap phone, Family Dollar, Walmart, okay? Then you're going to need some places to get yourself an IP address, more than one IP address, right? Guys, all we're doing here is posting Craigslist ads, so it doesn't really matter where we get our IP address from, right? We know, first of all, we can use our one at home. The one at home will allow you 2 ads per day without getting flagged. Just 2. Don't post any more than 2, okay? Then you want to go to Starbucks. You see, Starbucks has got free community Wi-Fi for everybody, okay? You can go to McDonald's. McDonald's has free community Wi-Fi for everybody, okay? You can go to Hardee's. Hardee's has free community Wi-Fi for everybody. Holiday Inn, free community Wi-Fi. Any motel, pretty much any restaurant and any motel these days has free Wi-Fi, okay? And all you're going to be doing is posting ads, so it's not like somebody's going to be breaking into your account because you're going to create these Gmail accounts for your Craigslist accounts, and that's all they're going to be connected to anyway. So who cares if they break in, right? You just go find another IP, create another Gmail account, and create another account. And this right here, guys, this little baby right here, this is what's called a broadband hotspot device. It's what this is right here, guys, is you can buy these at Walmart. That's where I bought mine from. And these plug in into your port on your computer, okay? Where you might plug your Logitech camera in or something like that. Here's the beauty of these things, and I discovered this by accident, okay? If you plug this device into your computer, and of course it's going to give you some internet, it's going to be slower than your typical internet, but who cares? Again, all we're doing is posting ads, okay? Each time you unplug that device and then plug that device back in, it's going to reach out and grab any IP that's floating around, okay? That's probably why it's so slow, because it's just grabbing anything. And that's great. And how you can tell if it's a different IP than the previous one you used, you type in whatismyip.com. No skips or nothing. That's their website. Whatismyip.com, and look for that number there at the bottom and be sure it doesn't match the previous one, okay? Easy stuff, okay? So you got places to find IP addresses. You've got your cheap phone, okay? Let's come on down a little bit farther. So far, no problem, guys, right? Let's come on down a little bit farther. Okay, what you want to do to begin with, guys, is you want to create, say 5 Gmail addresses, right? And I put them in sequence right here. I put Mark Bosley 1 at gmail.2, Mark Bosley 2 at gmail.com, Mark Bosley 3 at gmail.com, and 4 and 5, and so on, okay? The passwords can all be the same. Obviously, they're going to be a different Gmail address, so you can use the same password. Guys, I want you to write these emails down when you go and create. See, with these 5 Gmail addresses, you're going to create 5 Craigslist accounts, okay? You're going to create those things. So I want you to write down each one of those Gmail addresses, okay? So here we are. We're ready to start posting ads, right? We go to the day one and we use markbosley@gmail.com. We log in with our Fool's Gold and we post on the first day, right? Let's say April the 1st. Okay, you post a couple of ads with that one right there. Okay, on the third day, you got to wait 48 hours. I usually wait 72, so there's no problem. And you can post two ads with that. Okay, you can post markbosley2@gmail.com. You can use your own name if you want. Come up with any Gmail you want to. Just be sure they're in sequence so they're easier to manage, okay? You post that one on the third day, right? And you come on down here, markbosley3@gmail.com. You post it on the 5th for the Mark Bosley 4 on the 7th day, and then Mark Bosley 5 on the 9th day. And then you'll have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 ads in a 10-day period, okay? Then all you have to do is go and on the third day here, this ad will be ready for you to renew it, refresh it. So you just post your ad here, then come back here and refresh these two ads. So then you'll have 4 in 3 days. Okay, when you post this one, you can refresh these two and these two. So you have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 in 5 days, right? 10 ads on Craigslist in 5 days. Then you come down here on the 7th day and post an ad. So that's 2. You refresh these two, refresh these two, refresh these two, right? And you're not using the same IP or the same number because you've got the phone and you've got the different IP address, or you can use these places right here, any place that's got public Wi-Fi, to change your IP address, right? And by the 9th day, you post 2 ads here, refresh these two, refresh these two, refresh these two, refresh these two, and then you can go ahead and repost here. So you'll have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. You'll have 20 ads in 9 days running on Craigslist. That's just with 5 Gmail accounts, guys. If you want to take this thing to the next level, I mean to the level where you have 20 or 30 ads a day, then you'll go and you'll be pulling this thing in and out like it's all right, and you'll be changing your phone number, every time you post a new ad, or you'll be going to these different places right here to get a new IP address, right? And if you're having trouble with getting new PVAs, phone verifications, okay, then you can just go to your friends or your family and say, hey, look, mom, or hey, look, honey, your husband, your wife, I'm creating a Craigslist account right here, and I'm going to need a phone verification. They're going to text you a number. Just give me that number. They're not going to say no. It's not like Craigslist is going to call them back and bug them. They're just going to send the number over there so you can create the account, okay? So keep that in mind each time that you're creating or wanting to create an ad, right? Because you want to use those numbers. If not, you just get this little throwaway, you spend $15 on it, put a little card on it, and you can change that phone number over and over and over. And in 30 days time, you'll have 400 ads flying on Craigslist. And how I showed you yesterday, if you'll subscribe to my channel and look at my other Craigslist trainings, you'll see how to be posting those ads in those paid traffic cities, okay, or next to them to generate that massive traffic, okay. I know that was a little bit fast, okay. Watch the video again. Watch the video one more time. If you have any questions, then you get back with me. You contact me and you let me know what questions you have. But this is all you need, a broadband, these right here, and the telephone. Create your accounts. Write these accounts down so you can manage them right there each day, okay? Create you 5 Craigslist accounts. Here's the dollar store where you can buy some of those phones right there. Guys, if this helps you, if this is any value to you, if this is something you think you might use, please like or comment and share. Let me know how else I can help you. Tomorrow night I'm going to be making a Craigslist video on punctuation and titles on your ad, okay? Those are very crucial right there. Craigslist will gig you if you're posting these stupid titles like get daily pay or work from home. They'll flag you, okay? Or your punctuation at the end of your sentences, or in the middle of your sentences, or your sentences too long, or are they too short. All this stuff plays into your posting your ads on Craigslist, especially when you're a network marketer, a multi-level marketer. Craigslist doesn't like that. So I'm going to do some videos for the next few days. If you'll subscribe to my YouTube channel, just look over those videos and let me know if there's any way I can help you. I appreciate you looking at my videos, and guys, you have a great day. Bye-bye.